So what we see here, so this is the diaphragm, so this is the abdominal aorta, and this is the esophagus, and what is this? This is the inferior vena cava. And what is we have? What is we seen here? The white color part is a central tendon. So the central tendon part. So this is the diaphragm sternum part. So this is a costal part, and this is a lumbar part of the diaphragm. Okay. Here you can see here lungs. So this is a right lung, this is a left lung. So right lung have the three lobes, and left lung has the two lobes. When you remove the lungs, you can see the cartilage part, type of cartilage part. So this is bronchi, and this is arteries. The red color part is arteries and veins here. And it's okay. The small primary segments of the lungs. And here we can see the heart. This is abdomen. This is aorta. So this is superior vena cava. Here is a pulmonary trunk is here. Most supposed ones are pulmonary trunk. These are auricles of the heart. This is a right auricle. So this is a left auricle of the heart. Okay. Then if you discuss about the heart, so it's a right auricle, this is a left auricle of the heart. So this sternocostal surface, it's a sternocostal surface, and it's a diaphragmatic surface, and sternocostal surface, diaphragmatic surface, and those two are surface of the lung pulmonary surface. So what we can see here is a inferior vena cava here, and here superior vena cava here, is aorta here, and is a pulmonary trunk. And here we have the pulmonary veins there. So in the red color pulmonary veins, and the right part two pulmonary veins, and left part two pulmonary veins. Okay. So when you open here, so you can see here is a left ventricle, and here right ventricle. So left ventricle and right ventricle here, and this is a left atrium, and it's a right atrium, and left atrium is there. Okay. So what we can see here, the small part, it is these are valves of aorta. So valves of aorta is a valves of pulmonary trunk, and we can say here tricuspid valve, and here bicuspid valve. So they are attaching with the Hoda tentinum. Attached with the Hoda tendini. Those are the Hoda tendini is the papillary muscles. So those are the papillary muscles. What are the papillary muscles? You already know. They have the two papillary muscles here, anterior and posterior. Here we can see anterior, posterior, and interseptal papillary muscles. So it's the interseptum, interventricularis. So it's a vortex cortex. So it has the muscular part and membrane part. So that's all. And okay, you can see here arteries there. So it's a coronary arteries. So this right coronary artery, and is a left coronary artery. So the left coronary artery, best of it give the interventricularis anterior interventricular branch, and again after it give the circumflex branch. So the circumflex branch, and here also we have the marginal branch of the artery, and the circumflex branch of the artery. And the right one, it give the right coronary artery, it give the marginal branch and circumflex branch. So and it's finally it is terminated as a interventricularis posterior surface. So interventricularis posterior surface. So those are the arteries. What are the arteries you can see in this prep. And the veins. So this is a sinus cordis. The sinus is opening in the right ventricle, right atrium of right atrium. And what are the veins there? Begin the is anterior interventricular septum. You can see the vena cordis parva, vena cordis magna. Here you can see the vena cordis magna, and this one is a vena cordis parva. The small one is a vena cordis parva, and you can see the vena intermedialis, vena mediana, vena mediana, vena magna, vena parva, and vena mediana. Here you can see the small two veins there. So this is the right atrium from the ventricle, the right ventricle from the right ventricle, posterior right ventricle vein, and another vein is opening So this is the left ventricle vein, posterior left ventricle vein, and another vein you can't see here, oblique vein, left atrium, oblique vein of the left atrium. So those all 5 veins are opening in the sinus cordis. Sinus cord is opening in the right atrium. Sorry, right atrium. Here it's opening right atrium. So that's all about heart. And you can see here. Carefully. So this is a trachea. So trachea, and here this part is trachea, and upper part we can see the larynx part. So in the larynx you can see the thyroid cartilage there, and this is cricoid cartilage, and is epiglottis and arytenoid cartilage. So arytenoid cartilage, sometimes you can see the cuneiform cartilage also there. Cuneiform cartilage. So what are the muscles here? Here cricoarytenoid posterior muscles, and musculus arytenoidus transversus, and musculus arytenoidus obliquus muscles there. So the inferior constrictor muscle of the larynx, inferior larynx constrictor muscle is in the cricoid one of the inferior constrictor muscles of the larynx. So you can see here a right lobe of the thyroid gland, right lobe of the thyroid gland, superior arteria thyroidea superior, and vena thyroidea inferior. And you can see the membrane here, thyroid membrane. You can see thyroid membrane. So here you can see cricothyroid membrane, and you can see some muscles there. Cricothyroideus is the 2 bellies there, rectus and obliquus cricothyroideus muscles. So what we can say, so what now here, superior laryngeal vein, and superior laryngeal vein from the vagus nerve. Sorry, superior laryngeal nerve from the vagus nerve. So this is you already know what bone is this. What bone is this? Hyoid bone. Okay, so you know hyoid bone. Okay, that's all.